Hello, my name is Adrian from adriangordon.me. Now, one of the sweetest things about living in modern times is that regardless of what you want to do, there are a host of options for you available on the internet. E-commerce services is no exception to this. However, this leads to a new problem. Which e-commerce service should you actually be using for your business? Let's discuss. As you guys know, this is a topic that is commonly covered on the internet. And from the reading that I've been doing and the videos that I've been watching, it seems to me that a lot of people covering these topics are either paid or they're actually fans of specific e-commerce systems. So they're gonna tell you you should be using Shopify, you should be using Squarespace, or whatever the case may be. You see, in my experience, this is not the case. In reality, the best e-commerce system for your business is dependent on your specific business situation. Are you doing B2C, B2B? Are you a small company? Are you a large company? Do you have existing circumstances that need to be taken into consideration? So, what I'm going to do is discuss 5 common circumstances and let you know which e-commerce systems is best for that specific case. What I'm going to do is place a link in the description for every system that I name so that you guys can check it out. Let's get into the first situation now. And this is if you already have a website and you would like to add e-commerce to it. There are 3 systems that work well in this case in my experience. The first one is one called Equid. I don't know if you guys have seen those ads on YouTube and various places on the internet, but Equid is an e-commerce system that works very well for plug and play. So you sign up for Equid, you set up, you configure your store, and you can actually take that store and plug it into your website. So that works really well for that situation. If your website is made with WordPress, I would say WooCommerce is the best tool to use there because it's already integrated into WordPress, and there are a lot of other plugins that allow you to extend the functionality of WooCommerce specifically for WordPress. The third situation now, quick correction, I actually meant situation 2 here, not 3, is where you simply want to allow people to pay for something on your website. And in that case, you can utilize a simple PayPal button. You just sign up to PayPal, you create the button, you set a price for the button, and then you just put it on the website. So you don't need to get into anything fancy, you just place a button, you create a page, and you place the PayPal button there, and then when they click it, they pay, it goes to your PayPal account. So that is for those who already have a website and you want to add e-commerce to it. So in situation number 3 now, let us talk about medium and large businesses. So if this is the type of business you're operating, you're going to need something that is secure, that is flexible, and also offers enterprise level support. And that last part is really important. So systems that check these 3 boxes are BigCommerce, OpenCart, and we have Magento. So BigCommerce, OpenCart, and Magento. I'm going to put the links in the description. Situation number 4 now. This one is similar to the previous one, but the key difference here is that you're operating a business that has pre-existing systems that need to be taken into consideration. Let's say, for example, you have a sales system and you want to ensure that when a sale is completed on the website, it automatically registers in the sales system, maybe a CRM system, anything like that. For this, of course, flexibility here is key. So I would recommend to you OpenCart, Magento, or the same combination of WordPress and WooCommerce. These 3 systems are extremely flexible because they are self-hosted. A technical term that I'm not going to get into, but in essence, it allows you to edit all the code that you would need to edit in order to facilitate almost anything. So Magento, OpenCart, WordPress plus WooCommerce. The fifth and final situation is if you're an individual and you're looking to sell t-shirts, mugs, art, or just various knickknacks on the internet. For this, you're going to want to stick with the easiest possible thing, and that's going to be Shopify, Squarespace.com, or WordPress.com. And WordPress.com is different from WordPress.org, and I don't want you guys to get mixed up, so just look in the description and click the link that I have there. That's going to take you to WordPress.com, the easier version to use, to set up and use. Hopefully that was helpful and it has cleared up some stuff for you guys. Now, if you're operating a medium or large business, I'd advise that you get in touch with me and set up a consulting session. What's going to happen is that we will have a discussion and I will take a look at your specific needs and help you to determine which e-commerce solution is best for your particular business. If needs be, I have the resources as well to execute on this. If you're a small business or an individual, sign up for the website dojo because it's a great resource on general knowledge on how to operate a profitable website. Alright, so like the video. If you are on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.